Wutai mosquito, Faecavirus Wutens identification and characterization in Rio de Janeiro's field mosquitoes. By Mario Serio Ribeiro, Tania Elon, Viviana Malarat, Daniel Cardoso Portela Camara, Cristina Maria Giordano Dias, Guilherme Lauzada, Davis Fernandes Ferreira, Roberto de Andrade Medronho and Renato Campos Azevedo. Aim: numerous RNA viruses have recently emerged, posing threats to humans and causing harm to animals and plants. Among these, Bunyaviruses stand out as one of the largest RNA virus groups capable of infecting a wide range of hosts, including invertebrates, vertebrates, and plants. In recent years, new insect-specific viruses have been isolated from mosquitoes and phlebotomine sandflies worldwide. However, little is known regarding the impact of these viruses on the vector life cycles and the stages of oviposition, breeding, blood feeding, and the mosquito's lifespan. This study describes the first detection and characterization of a recently discovered bunyavirus known as the Wutai mosquito faecavirus in South America. Study design: a prospective study was conducted in Rio de Janeiro to monitor arbovirus presence in mosquitoes. Place and duration of study: the fieldwork, 2013 to 2017, was carried out in the neighborhoods of Rio de Janeiro city, where the Olympic Games sports facilities were set up. In addition, collections were carried out during a dengue outbreak into municipalities in the north of Rio de Janeiro state in 2015. Methodology: passive traps were set in 11 health units and 7 additional locations. Trapping also occurred into northern municipalities with high dengue fever incidents. Weekly collections used BG Sentinel traps, and captured mosquitoes were analyzed in the laboratory. Mosquitoes were identified to the genus level, and species confirmation was done via molecular analysis. Pools of up to 250 mosquitoes were prepared for molecular analysis. RNA was extracted from mosquito homogenates and analyzed via RT-PCR. The resulting amplicons were sequenced, aligned, and phylogenetic trees were constructed using maximum likelihood methods to understand evolutionary relationships. Results: a total of 1,866 adult mosquitoes were trapped for bunyavirus screening, with 1,465 identified as Culex spp and 401 as AIDS spp. Blood meal analysis from engorged females revealed human and dog sources. Wutai mosquito faecavirus was confirmed in complex Culex pipiens quinquefasciatus and other Culex species, with one pool of male Aedes aegypti also testing positive. The transmission route and ecological impact remain unknown. Strains in Rio de Janeiro clustered together, but further research is needed to understand the virus's diversity and evolution. Conclusion: this study reports the first detection and characterization of the Wutai mosquito faecavirus in Brazil. It confirms the virus's presence in primary urban vectors, Culex spp and Aedes spp, with a high prevalence and wide distribution in Rio de Janeiro. These findings enhance our understanding of mosquito-specific virus distribution and contribute to studies on virus evolution and vector competence for transmitting pathogenic viruses. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel for watch more scientific research videos.